you take a diabetic in the beginning, when you have a small problem, we want to see you maybe once a year if you're just diagnosed with diabetes. As your problems get worse, we're going to want to see you more often. It may be 4 times a year. It may be 6 times a year. There's patients that are diabetics that we see on a weekly basis. With wound care, the aspect is I don't want the wound to ever happen. If I can educate you that this wound, what to look for so it doesn't happen, that's my goal. I've done my job properly if I've done that. If I don't, if you don't feel your feet and you end up with a wound, the idea is for you to come immediately. Whenever you see something, a blemish, a redness, a spot, come see us right away rather than wait a week. It'll go away. I'll put some Neosporin on it. They don't. And when you come in and your foot's a full-blown infection at that point, that's when things are difficult. They take a lot longer to heal. My primary goal is education. If I can tell you what to look for, what to see in the beginning, are you going around barefooted? Are you checking between your toes? Do you dry your toes daily? Do you see a bump, a spot? Be a pain, call me. Get in and see us immediately rather than later. And that's our main focus. If you look at Medicare dollars, people say, diabetes is a waste. 20% of our Medicare dollars are spent on diabetic foot wounds, with every hospitalization. If you take an amputation for a diabetic, it's $100,000 to rehabilitate that patient. What's more, an office visit or $100,000? That's the difference. If you come to us sooner, the sooner we can get you better.